Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to lock your Brave browser with a password. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it loads up, you'll need to navigate to the Chrome Web Store by typing chromewebstore.google.com in the address bar and hitting enter. This is where you'll find the extension that will help you add password protection to your browser. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store page, look at the top of the screen where you'll see a search bar. Click on it and type browser lock, then press enter. This will bring up all the relevant extensions that can help you secure your browser with a password. From the search results that appear, locate and click on the extension called Browser Lock. This will take you to the extension's dedicated page where you can read more about its features and see how it works to protect your browser from unauthorized access. On the right side of the extension page, you'll see a button that says Add to Brave. Go ahead and click on it to begin the installation process. This starts downloading the extension and prepares it to integrate with your Brave browser. Next, you'll see a confirmation pop-up appear. Click on Add Extension to complete the installation. This finalizes the process and adds Browser Lock to your browser, making it available for you to configure and use right away. Now look toward the upper right corner of your Brave browser window. You'll see an Extensions button, which usually looks like a puzzle piece icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Browser Lock. This opens up the extension so you can start setting it up. Once the extension opens, click on Open Settings. This takes you to the main configuration area where you'll set up your password protection and enter the necessary information to secure your browser. You'll now see a registration form where you need to enter your credentials. Start by typing in your name and surname in the designated fields. This information helps personalize your browser lock settings and ensures that the extension is tied to your account. Next, enter your email address in the email field. This is important because it allows you to recover access to your browser if you ever forget your password, so make sure you use an email address that you have regular access to. After that, you'll need to create your browser password. Type your desired password in the browser password field, making sure it's something secure but memorable. Then, re-enter the same password in the confirmation field below it to verify that you've entered it correctly. Finally, click the Register button to save all your settings and activate the password protection on your Brave browser. Your browser is now locked with a password, meaning anyone who tries to access it will need to enter the correct password first. And that's it. You've successfully locked your Brave browser with a password, adding an extra layer of security to keep your browsing activity and personal information safe. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.